Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a Photoroom app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Photoroom and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.